Hello everyone, welcome back to another informative video. Oh my, I need to go to the barber. But anyway, guess what? The flowers on our cucumber plants have started to open. Yes. Please bear in mind that we are trying to figure out, um, you know, and it's basically a shift because initially we basically we are using two different water, the farmer's water and a water that is low on TDS, total dissolved solids, right? um, but remember that I had sent a sample to the University of Florida and I got back the results which said that it's a virus caused from aphids, right? um, yeah, insects. And aphid is one of them that transmit it, right? So we kind of shifted the focus on these plants, not totally ignoring the water source, but we're basically trying to keep the plants as clean as possible, right? To eliminate any possibility of insects transmitting the virus. So right now they are fairly clean, and as I said, the flowers have started to open. So let's go and take a look at that. Right, so let us start with this one. This one is basically the farmer's water. And what I was telling you about, look at this. Oh man, look at that flower. It's nice, right? And guess what? All my nodes have a flower on it. Look at that. Has a female flower on it. Look at that. Right up, right? Look at that. You understand? So we in for a good treat. We in for a good production, right? Look at that. Let me go around this side and show you what is going on. Look at that. Look at that. Flowers are opening up, man. This is good times. Good times. And let us go in on the water that is low on TDS. Right? Yes, we have a flower right there. Right, let me go around the other side. Show you what is up. There it is. Right, there it is. Right, and as I said, all the nodes have a female cucumber. Yeah, so this is how it looks. This is how the plants look. Right, they are looking well. They are looking well. They are getting tall, right? Right, and I'm just continue to watch these videos, and it can help you to grow your cucumber plants, whether it's on a commercial basis or whether you want to grow a few cucumbers at home in a system like this one, right? As you can see, this is only this is 8 plants, 4 in each container. So this would serve serve as a great benefit for householders or backyard gardeners who have a small space. They maybe can't allow the cucumber to run on the ground, but you can go vertically, right? So alright, so just some more information. This is a female cucumber flower, and you can identify them by the ovary. All female cucumber flower have an ovary, which would be like a small cucumber right below the petal and the sepal there. This is basically the petal, right? So right below it you will see a small cucumber, and if you look, this is basically a right in here, this is basically a smaller one. As you can see, it has the small cucumber on it. So that is how you identify it, and I've done other videos on my channel about that too, so you can check that out. Yeah, so this is just a friendly update just to show you what is going on. Right, these plants are roughly about, let me see, let me just kind of estimate their height. 1, 2, 3, yeah, roughly about 3.5 feet. Yeah, these plants are roughly about 3.5 feet, right? So if you have any questions, any comments, please put them in the comments here. So what I've done is I've put all of these videos in a playlist. I think I titled it Cucumber Experiment. So if you want to see it from the beginning, please go ahead and watch the videos from the beginning to see what I did in the first part and how the plants have been progressing. So it would be good to understand why I'm doing this, and just to kind of think about your own settings, what you would like to achieve, or seeing how the plants growing and seeing if you would want to do a system like this on a commercial basis or a backyard basis, whatever. Yeah, so bye bye.